Any mention?
Meet, please, Your Lordship. Lordships, I beg to make a mention of item 9.
Item
9, Your Lordship.
but 9 that day we nearly completed the hearing.
Lordship, after hearing at some length, Your Lordship, my lineage senior has made a prayer, Your Lordship, to file one additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Did he?
There
Where
was
Mr.
no.
Chanesu?
He's out of station today, Your Lordship.
Okay, since we're all been made dysfunctional, so 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordships? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 for a week, Your Lordship, because the conducting counsel is out of station.
Who's the Mr. Paul?
Mr. N. Dasgupta.
No objection, Your Lordship.
1 week, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1.
But item number 1 and item number 2 are connected matters in that we challenge the same impugned order. I think Mr. Asu is not here. Maybe heard after a week. Both the matters may be disposed of together, my lord. Both these items. No, after a week, whenever he's present.
Final hearing, Lordship, because this is.
What is the matter about?
Because we are challenging an order relating to the reinstatement of respondent number 7.
Oh, you released contour last time.
Yes, Lordship.
Item number 1 and number 2.
And number 2.
Yes, on the joint prayer of the parties appearing in items 1 and 2. Let this matter appear after 2 weeks. Yes. Next bench.
Obliged, Lord.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the rejoinder is ready. But the...
1 second.
Yes.
Let the file at least come to us.
Yes, ma'am. May it please, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, the rejoinder is ready, but I am unable to file it as the deponent is out of station. She is likely to return on the 26th of this month. I am praying for 2 weeks' time.
How many times you sought for rejoinder?
Only once on the prior.
Ahmed prays funds allowed further 2 weeks' time to file join the affidavit. Yes, so.
Interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Interim order shall continue.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
Lordship, the petitioners were required to file the rejoinder, which I have received this morning, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the rejoinder affidavit is presently being processed for filing, Lordship. We'll be filing it in the course of the day. Lordship, there was some clarification.
What rejoinder? You're supposed to bring that fresh notice, but it's under section 144B.
Lordship, that's the clarification.
Lordship, I have taken instruction, Lordship. That is a computer-generated message notice, Lordship, and necessary instructions have been issued to the concerned department not to
proceed.
Lordship.
Yes, pursuant to order dated 1/5/2025, Mr. Pandey has obtained instructions and submitted that the notice which was served through email under section 144B was computer generated, and appropriate instructions have been issued not to act upon the same for the time being. Yes. Stop MS A. De Cruz. How much time?
Lordship, we're filing it in the course of the day, Lordship.
The journey will be fine the course of the day. So then when should we list it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes. It's for further orders and so on. So yes.
Lordship, interim order.
Hearing. It's for?
It's orders, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, interim order may be extended.
Interim order, if any, shall continue.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 5.
this is an appeal against an order of acquittal, my lord, filed by the legal representative of the complainant.
How many?
There's a delay of 17 days, my lord.
30 days.
17 days,
17 days.
my lord.
Who's appealing for the state? PP?
My lord, this is an appeal against acquittal, my lord. Is to the private notices to go to the private respondent.
I've always think that appeal against conviction. Yes. Which is 1 second. Judgment order 29/1/2025.
My lord.
Yes. This criminal appeal has been preferred against the judgment and order dated 29/1/2025. From which court?
My lord, Clariat, Sessions Court, Clariat, my lord.
Is from the Sessions Court, East Chantry Hilltop.
If Lordship, may I submit, my lord? This condemnation is filed against for the delay in filing the leave to appeal, my lord. Under section 378(4), my lord,
Okay.
I have to file an application for leave, my lord.
This application under section 5 has been filed for condoning the delay. How many days you said?
17 days, my lord.
17 days. 17 days as submitted, but as per the office note, the total delay is 22 days in preferring the application for leave to appeal against an order of acquittal dated 29/1/2025 passed by the court of the district sessions judge Clariat, East Hills in sessions case number 88/2022. Top next paragraph, issue notice. Returnable in
2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Returnable in 2 weeks, yes. Petitioner to take steps. This accordingly also.
Blessed, my lord.
Could be blank.
Item number 6.
I didn't look at the file.
I'm entering appearance in this matter, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S.C. Kyle, Standing Counsel.
Mr. How many respondents are there?
3 respondents.
Three
All
respondents.
respondents.
3, Your Lordship.
No, are you appearing for all respondents?
All the respondents in complex department, Lordship.
Sir, that means for the other, Mr. S. Pandey today has submitted that he will be entering appearance on behalf of the remaining 2 respondents. As such, all the respondents are presented by Mr. Pandey along with Mr. S.C. Kyle.
Lordship.
Yes. Yes, what next do you want?
I pray for 4 weeks' time, Lordship, to file a
weeks' time?
Lordship, yes.
Affidavit?
Lordship, for instructions to pray for 4 weeks' time, Lordship.
Yes, 4 and this next line, next paragraph. In total 4 weeks time to file affidavit, yes.
Most obvious, Lordship.
Hearing, item number 10.
Yes, MS Arkolni.
I pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Why? You having problems also?
No, Lordship, no.
Any urgency?
No, Lordship, there's no urgency.
So let's just, due to the absence of the respondent counsel, this is matter on so and so. Will record your presence.
Lordship.
On the petitioner. Madam, 15 minutes.
Any mention?
Please, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, I beg to mention item number 31.
Lordship. Objections. Lordship. If we,
31, Your Lordship.
What is matters? Is it for interim order or something?
No, Your Lordship.
Interim has been considered and declined.
You're for the petitioner.
petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, if we
objection.
no objection, Lordship. Lordship, if we may file a rejoinder as well, Lordship.
Okay, you file it within 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item 22 and 23, my lord. This matter pertains to that clubbing of the schedule caste and schedule tribe,
Yes.
the candidatures together, my lord. My lord, I require 2 weeks time to prepare, my lord. I, of course, lordship.
Why 2 weeks time to prepare?
My lord, it is there. Just revise and all this little bit more.
By the time 2 weeks time, though, you forget everything also.
It will not, my lord.
Okay, and request of also 2 weeks. Yes.
Oblige.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 20.
20.
20.
Yes, Lordship. 20.
What's the matter about?
Promotion, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Retired, Your Lordship.
You retired?
Lordship, yes.
No agency. Yes.
Similar pray for item 29. This matter pertains to promotion as well, Your Lordship.
Retired also?
No, Your Lordship.
When is he retiring? Or she?
She, Your Lordship.
When? When
I
is
don't
he
know.
retiring?
Pardon me, Lordship.
When is he retiring?
I'm not aware, Lordship. I don't have the briefs with me.
So yes, 2 weeks, okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship.
19.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
But Changresu is not in town.
Yes, he's out of station, Your Lordship.
All right, Your Lordship.
Yes. Not request. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, Datta, what do you want?
I would like to mention item 21 and 24, Your Lordship. I'm not feeling well
21,
today. I'm not feeling well today.
You are appearing?
Yeah, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Dr. P. Agarwal for the UGC. We are just a formal party.
Item 21 and
24.
Your Lordship.
Nehu.
Yes, Lordship.
Why?
I'm not feeling well today.
You're looking very well. Yes. After 2 weeks.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
First day of the week. Yes, 25.
25, Your Lordship. I'm
Why?
praying after 2 weeks.
What's the matter about?
Non-payment of salary, Your Lordship.
About?
Non-payment of salary. After 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
No objection?
No objection.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28.
Kharaka Bahadur Thapa.
Your Lordship.
Who's the other side? What's the matter
I'm for
about?
the state, Your Lordship.
It's regarding the 5th pay commission, Your Lordship, for the MTC retired employer.
MTC?
MTC
Yes,
matter, Your Lordship.
corporation.
You haven't got the benefits? Why
Your
is
Lordship.
not the issue here? What is the issue? Why not giving the pension? It's pension.
It's not pension, Your Lordship. It's regarding the 5th pay commission.
We want that the 5th pay commission should be applied to them also.
Scale.
The scale.
How long?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes. It's not terminal benefits.
It's
Not terminal.
Yes. Yes.
oblige, Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 30. Lordship, I pray for that this matter.
This is the school matter, with the electrocution was one student died in Navodaya Vidyalaya.
Lordship,
Why are you joining in?
Your Lordship, we're not yet prepared for the matter. Please take up after a week, Your Lordship.
Well, here,
positively.
otherwise everything has been rectified. There was some, we have renovated electric lines and everything through CPWD.
Lordship,
Only the question
positively.
of, because only 1 lakh ex-gratia has been paid, my lord. So that aspect can be considered. It's unfortunate, whatever happened.
2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a regular first appeal against the order and judgment dated 20th 2nd 2025, passed in succession case number 167 of 2022 by the learned judge, District Council Court at Shillong. Lordship, what happened in this matter is that I am the legally wedded wife of the deceased person who is my husband herein, and there's the respondent is the alleged illegitimate second wife. So in this matter, your Lordship, the learned court below passed an order granting full benefits to the second wife.
You mean ordering the succession certificate granted to
the second wife,
the
respondent? Yes, your Lordship.
On what grounds?
So, your Lordship, on the learned court below, relied heavily on Annexure 11, which is at page 93, your Lordship. Now, Annexure 11 is apparently an NOC which I had provided, stating that I had relinquished all my rights to the debts and securities of the deceased person.
Are you legally married to the?
Yes, your Lordship. Yes, your Lordship.
You have issues from the deceased employee.
Your Lordship.
Issues means children.
Yes, your Lordship.
How many?
During my marriage, your Lordship, I was blessed with 6 children, your Lordship. All of whom are major right now. Your Lordship.
When did he die? Your husband.
My husband passed away in sometime in the year 2020. Sometimes in the year 2022, your Lordship.
Certificate's been issued to the.
Yes, your Lordship. Yes, your Lordship. The respondent received the death certificate in lieu of me.
No, the succession certificate's been granted now to the.
As per the order, your Lordship, passed by the learned court below, the succession certificate was issued to the respondent.
Dated, you said?
20th February 2025.
Yes. You heard Mr. LCM. You're not praying for stay of.
I am.
Where's the miscase?
Miscase has been filed, your Lordship. So in my prayer, your Lordship, is that the notice may go, and that in the interim.
You only see page 93. What has happened? Page 93 is that you give no objection to whom?
Yes, your Lordship. This is the alleged no objection certificate which I had provided to the respondent. To the respondent, stating that I have relinquished my claims over the debts and securities of the deceased person.
Yes.
So this was under challenge as well in the trial court below, your Lordship. But the trial court relied heavily on this. So this was just one of the issues.
And the second, the respondent, she doesn't have any proof of legitimate marriage.
No, your Lordship.
But they have children from the union?
Yes, your Lordship.
How many?
They have 3 children, your Lordship.
Because whatever it is, first wife will be first claim.
Yes, your Lordship.
Children, but even the children of the the second wife also do not married. They'll have a claim to the terminal benefits also.
Yes, your Lordship. I appreciate that, your Lordship.
Yes. You've lived 17 years now.
Yes.
Separate.
Yes, your Lordship.
So you had no objection. You said you separated from your husband 17 years, and no objection if therefore my 6 children I satisfy and sign with the withdrawal.
Yes, your Lordship.
Service or any other aspects of his life with regards to while he was alive.
Yes, your Lordship. Apparently, this was an NOC which I had purportedly provided to him. To the relatives while my deceased husband at that time was sick, your Lordship. This was to show that I had relinquished everything that I had with him, not just the debts and securities, but my association with him as well.
Okay.
So based on this, your Lordship, the trial court below relied heavily on this.
Mr. LCM, the counsel for the petitioner, issue notice to sole respondent.
Sole respondent, your Lordship.
Taken within 3 days. Stop. Just a call me on so and so. Miscase. Now come to the miscase. Is 6 of 2025. This is an application. Praying for. Where's your prayer?
Bring for stay of the order, Your Lordship.
For stay of the impugned judgment order dated 20/0/2025, passed by the Court of the Judge, this Council Court, Shillong, succession case number 167/2022, under section 372 of the Indian Succession Act. It is submitted by Mr. LCM, learned counsel for the appellant, that the appeal has been preferred against the impugned judgment, inasmuch as the appellant herself is the legally married wife to deceased employee, and as such, along with the children, is entitled to the terminal benefits as the first claimant. So, however, he submits the learned court below on a misappreciation of a purported NOC issued which year? Which had been issued to? Which year was it issued?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Issued to her deceased husband.
Issued to her deceased Lordship. There's no apparent date on the.
Issued to her deceased husband. The order has been granted in favor of the respondent. Therefore, prays that in the interim, the impugned judgment order be not given effect to. So, on hearing the counsel for the appellant on perusing the materials along with the impugned order, it is seen that the succession certificate was granted to the appellant or to the respondent. On the observation that this is corroborated, that means by all the others who saw signing it.
Your Lordship, the signatories to this NOC are supposed to be my children, Your Lordship, but the signatures which have been reproduced here are all mine, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the prime side, on the satisfaction that a valid NOC had been granted by the appellant, which the learned counsel denies. Accordingly, prime facie case is made out for interim orders. Stop is provided orders until further orders. The impugned judgment order dated 20/02/2025 shall not be acted upon. Yes. As the order has been passed ex parte, as when order has been passed in absence of notice, prior to service of notice, the respondents are at liberty to file an application for vacating or modifying the order passed today. Yes. List after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
Is it for admission hearing? The other one? For admission, for admission, the main appeal.
My Lord, I have filed my report, my Lord, on the 21st, my Lord.
21st of?
My mistake, my Lord. On the 9th of May, my Lord.
On 9th of May.
The previous was filed on the 21st of March. My Lord, there is an index, my Lord. My Lord, the status is still the same. We have altogether 6 cases still pending in the entire state. And my Lord, the status, if Lordship...
3 in East Khasi Hills.
My Lord, yes, 3 in East Khasi Hills, 1 in West...
Hills.
1, my Lord, 1 in West Jaintia Hills and 2 in Garo Hills, my Lord. West Garo Hills. My Lord, the only...
2 West Garo Hills.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, the only difference which I can see in that report, the status report submitted by the prosecution is, my Lord, in East Khasi Hills, my Lord, may I kindly come to page 4, my Lord, of the report. In comparing to the March report, my Lord, the number of witnesses have been scaled down, my Lord. Previously, in the report of March, we have submitted there were 492 witnesses.
Now 181.
Now we have 181, out of which 28 has been examined, my Lord. 153 remains. So this is the only development which I can see from the entire pending cases.
Yes. This report 9/5/25 has been filed by the government advocate, and it indicated in the report that there are 6 pending cases in 3 districts. That is East Khasi Hills 3 cases, West Janta Hills District 1, and West Garo Hills 2. Though the status remains the same, it is seen that with regard to special CBI case number 2 of 2020, the total number of witnesses has been scaled down from
492, my lord,
from
to
492
181.
to 181, and 28 so far been examined. Accordingly, next part list this matter on now is
We're in the month of May, my lord.
just a matter of 1st July. 1st July, 1st July.
My lord, make it August, my lord, because it's going quite slow.
1st August for status report.
Obliged, lordship.
Item number 3.
But here I am required to file an additional affidavit, my lord. But the affidavit is come, but the wrong person is signed, my lord. I'm praying for 10 days time. The contemptor is not signed, someone is signed.
It's been complied with.
No, Your Lordship. The order has not been complied with, Your Lordship. And the matter relates to cipher category, Your Lordship.
Yes?
The matter relates to cipher category. The order has not been complied.
Cipher is a done and done case, Dr. Mozika.
It's only for implementation, madam. Because there are financial implications, concurrence from finance ministry is
There
required.
is Dr. Mozika, DSGI, which also submits that the affidavit to be filed, since it had been signed by the person, not the
respondent.
Not the respondent. Will have to. You already filed it? No.
We have not filed. Today they brought it, madam.
Oh, then you see that problem. The priest funds allowed 1 week further time to file affidavit.
Obliged.
What has already been filed. You're seeking to recall that affidavit.
No, sorry.
You've given a copy?
No, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Lordship, the private respondent yet to file the affidavit, Lordship. That is 5 and 6, Lordship.
Your Lordship, we'll file a affidavit during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
They've given you a copy?
I haven't received it.
You're not filed. You have it till now.
No, Your Lordship.
You have for number 5.
5, yes.
You also have not filed.
We'll file in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
As you pay costs, you tell your seniors that's come from their pockets. How much cost should we inflict? Because the orders that expected after should be on board the next date. How much cost should we impose? 5,000 each. Or how much? No idea. More than that. You can't take this as a joke. You tell your seniors also. Council for 5, 6. The council number 5 so name and so 6. Submit that after will be filed in the course of the day. Just after 2 weeks, yes. For the joiner of any. How does a file?
5.
Still has file already.
Item number 5.
4 and 5 connected, Lordship.
Today filing affidavits.
I'll be obliged.
6.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for further week's time to file the rejoinder affidavit.
How many times have you taken?
Lordship, if I'm not mistaken, 3.
This is the?
This is the 4th, Your Lordship.
Lordship,
Filing rejoinder is closed. This is a matter for hearing.
Lordship, last chance may be given, Your Lordship.
No, yes, it's
It's
closed.
almost ready, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Last chance may be given, Your
You
Lordship.
file it today then.
My humble prayer, Your Lordship.
4 times you've asked for rejoinder.
One last
Rejoinder is
chance
not by
may
right.
be given. We're just awaiting for the signature, Your Lordship. It's ready, Your Lordship. 7.
Okay, let's for hearing after 2 weeks. In the interest of justice, petition is permitted to file rejoinder in the meanwhile.
Hello, Lordship.
Otherwise, rejoinder is not by right. Yes.
May please, Your Lordship, some time may be given, Your Lordship.
What instruction do you need?
Instruction regarding that we have participated or not in the inquiry, Your Lordship.
Lordship, she has been removed from the post of the administrator. There's a detailed inquiry which has been conducted against her. She has participated, Lordship. Now that inquiry is not challenged before this repetition.
But the inquiry report has never given to us, Your Lordship.
That's why
That is what the instructions. Lordship, they had sought
What
time.
instructions did you take? Did you not
don't
bother
have the-
to remove the case?
I'm praying for some time, Your Lordship.
How much time?
2 weeks maybe.
You already took part in inquiry.
But instruction is
It's gone
required.
against you. It's gone against her.
Against her.
You supplied a copy of the inquiry report.
No, they have not supplied to us, Your Lordship.
Lordship, well, first thing, it's already supplied. She refused. Second thing, that inquiry report is annexed to my counter affidavit.
So?
Now, Your Lordship, while order dated 28/3, Your Lordship,
But they
has
have never
also
given
observed
to
that
us.
part. Lordship, they have to. There's no relief that can be granted to the petitioner at this stage.
Yes, on 23 MSP Biswakarma, principal of one time instructions. You don't trust it, you withdraw the matter.
Your Lordship, some time may be given, Your Lordship.
2 days.
Yeah. Yes, Your
2 days.
Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
For instruction.
Friday, yes.
Friday,
M. Hajong, please matter be listed on Friday.
Interim order may be extended till Friday.
They will have to fight to obtain final instructions.
Interim order may be extended, Your Lordship.
Interim
Till-
order is there.
Yes, Your
There,
Lordship.
Lordship, that's why I'm pressing, Lordship.
Friday then.
On Friday, Lordship.
Yes, Your
Final
Lordship.
instructions.
Yes, Your Lordship.
8. Item number 8.
Yes.
Lordship, here I have very limited prayer, Lordship. Lordship will kind.
That's why I listed today in terms of
Yes,
hearing
Lordship.
suspension matter. Yes.
Page 22, Lordship.
Page?
Page 22.
Of your petition.
Yes, Lordship. Because the pension sanctioning authority asking two requirement from the treasury officer,
1
Lordship.
second. You are serving as?
My husband, Lordship, he was a
Okay,
army
husband is
personnel,
serving
Lordship. He was an army personnel, then he died in 2008, Lordship, after his retirement, Lordship. Then 2008 to 2019, then the petitioner was receiving the pension. Then 2019, the pension was stopped on the ground that the joint notification was not there,
No,
Lordship.
1 second. He died on
15 February 2008, Lordship.
15 to 08. Then he got pension from?
Lordship, he got pension from.
Earlier, what? I mean, the petitioner received pension from? He died 2008.
Yes, Lordship.
Then received pension from?
Uh,
Your Lordship, he was
till July, till
taking
June.
pension from respondent number 2, and
around 2 is
the treasury officer from the office of the treasury officer. But very interestingly, Lordship, that there was no specific amount as to how much the petitioner should get.
No, just come back, just let him finish it.
Yes, Lordship.
Now you got, he died in 15 2008.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you receive a pension from, family pension from?
My pension was stopped since July 2019.
You received from when to when? After he died?
Yeah, after he died, Lordship. Till June 2019.
June 2019.
2019.
What happened after June 2019?
Then after that, because of the joint notification was not there.
What was the joint notification?
Joint notification means, Lordship, if the pensioner died, then subject to the production of the death certificate, the pension will automatically come to the account of the deceased wife, Lordship. Because that was not there. That is why that they have pension, they have stopped the pension and directing the treasury.
No, but she was paid from 2008.
Yes,
to
Lordship.
9, what is the
In
problem?
2009.
How can I ask for joint?
That's why, Lordship.
There was no mention of the next of kin. There was no name of the
So
person who
in
should
case
get.
she dies, Who will get next family pension, you mean?
That is why, Lordship, that is why the Treasury officer was asked, the Treasury was asked that under what authority, please intimate why you have released the pension when the joint notification was not there. And you please send me the overdue amount, what you have been paid to the deceased wife, Lordship. That is the two requirement. If the Treasury officer directly send to the pension sanctioning authority, the matter ends there.
It ends there.
Kindly page number 22, Lordship. Time and again the...
This is which is one? This is Army Medical Corps? What is this?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
This letter was addressed to the Treasury officer. I'll just read, Lordship.
Yes.
Grant of family pension, Srimati Nirani Rava, widow of so-and-so. Sir, number so-and-so, Rava was granted pension by PCDA, Allahabad so-and-so, copy and expired on 15 February 2008. Now, Srimati Nirani Rava, wife of deceased soldier, has applied for family pension and the same has been forwarded to PCDA, P, Allahabad by office order number so-and-so, dated so-and-so. However, the same has been returned by the PCDA, P, Allahabad, along with the following observation by their letter number so-and-so, dated 10 February 2022, copy and close. During scrutiny of the claim, it is observed that the individual has retired from service on 31st March 1978 and granted service pension by PPO number so-and-so. The joint notification was not carried out earlier but after date of the individual on 15 February 2008. The pension has been regularly paid to his wife, Srimati Nirani Rava, by the Treasury Office, West Garo Hills, Tura, up to 38 June 2019. Please intimate the authority under which the family pension has been paid to Srimati Nirani Rava, widow of the deceased soldier. Further, it is also observed that the overpaid amount has not been mentioned in the LTA certificate issued on so-and-so by the State Bank of India Fulbari branch. Now, in view of the above, you are requested to intimate the authority under which the family pension has been paid to Srimati Nirani Rava, widow of the deceased soldier, without joint notification. Hence, you are once again requested to forward the same for our further necessary action. If they give that joint notification, that clarification, the matter ends there.
Who has to give it?
That Treasury officer. And my lord will next page again, next annexure. That is at page 24. I do not have any grievance against the Union of India, Lordship. Now, this is also same, Lordship.
No, but you mean at that time when he had expired, that notification was supplied to Treasury officer?
No, joint notification was not there, Lordship.
Then what will he? How can he give it now when it's not in his possession?
That is why, Lordship. Now, the joint notification, because of that, was not there. That is why they have stopped.
So what's the format now? What does the Treasury officer have to? Will give directions?
My lord, that they have filed the affidavit. That is the same thing they can.
Also, in my affidavit filed, page number 6 is like very clear. Also.
1 second.
My lord, I have the copy that what is the benefit of the joint notification, Lordship, and what is the consequences for.
Yes. What is in the affidavit?
My lord, actually, I'm not the counsel here, my lord.
You're standing here.
But for M. Sangma, actually, on behalf of M. Sangma, he's on a medical emergency, my lord. And I don't have to brief, my lord.
You should have mentioned that at the.
Yeah, I was about to, but sir, he continued.
The Sheikh already started.
He already started. I don't want to interfere.
Still, they have the time only. Instead of
coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
They can directly forward to the pension sanctioning authority matter and there.
Let Mr. Sangma.
All
Sangma. Yes. Just the matter. Now it's 14. This on 19th.
Item number 9.
Priya. On behalf of the Osama, bearing response 1, 2, 3, December and Monday. Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I'll be filing my rejoinder in one week, Your Lordship.
Who's number 5?
Lordship, it's the Women's Commission, and Lordship, I believe Mr. K.P. Bhattacharjee has been.
Your beliefs, but I
Well,
don't see it. You know.
He's on legs
Aspiring
before
into
the.
him standing here before the court. You want to find the rejoinder?
Yes, within a week. Within a week.
MSM Hajong, letter response to the petitioner. Please without allowed. How much time? 2 weeks time to
1
file?
week.
Rejoinder. Oh, further time for rejoinder. Is allowed. Yes. Though it is though respondent 5 still have been served. Today also there is no appearance on behalf of the respondent. We'll go ex parte next time. Yes. Just after 2 weeks.
Much appreciated.
Item number 10.
Who's the petitioner?
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time to file our affidavit in this matter.
You're appearing for?
I'm for the respondent number 5 and 6, Your Lordship.
Newly implemented.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
This is newly implemented,
newly
Lordship.
implemented, Your Lordship.
This is not Nokma regarding the pension, Your Lordship. That,
But
because they were claiming the.
When did you file it?
Not file affidavit.
When? What is your claim? Who are
I'm
you?
claiming I'm the wife of the deceased, Your Lordship. Now the private respondent, they are
5
the
and 6 also?
yes.
Who's 5?
5 is mother and the sister, niece of
5
the
is
deceased.
whom? You are who?
Yes.
Who's 5?
I'm for the respondent number 5, sir, Your Lordship.
Who's the number 5? Why were they implemented?
The mother.
Because they
Mother of whom? Now you are Srimati Sarita Marak.
Lordship.
You said you're the wife, legally wedded wife of
The deceased.
employee.
Now the
5
private
is whom?
respondent is the mother of the deceased.
5, mother.
Yes, and another one is the niece of the deceased.
They also
They were
also
claiming.
praying,
Yes,
believing.
Lordship. That's why we have implemented them.
What is your name?
The post name, Your Lordship. Darshisha post name.
So also for 5 and 6. First, as you know, for state respondents and pray for the 2 weeks time. Files. Mention that.
Item 11.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
God bless, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship?
Ready for hearing?
Lordship, I'll be filing my rejoinder in the course of the day.
Already filed.
Not yet, Your Lordship. I'll be filing in the course of the day, Lordship.
Yes, MSC Marbo submit that the rejoinder after the file and court days. When? After 2 weeks for hearing?
Lordship.
Well, it's a matter for hearing.
Item number 12.
I'm praying for a time to file rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Yes, MS Mahjong pays for love for the 2 weeks time to file rejoinder. Yes, thereafter and so.
Much obliged.
Evening, ma'am.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
We have filed a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Good to hearing.
The proceedings are complete. And according to the matter for hearing on so and so.
Hello, Lordship.
14.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, on the last date, I was allowed to bring on record the admit card of the petitioner, Lordship. However, during preparation, Your Lordship, there are certain documents I would like to bring on record. These documents are the office memorandum issued by the Finance Pension Cell Department, Your Lordship.
First, you said you wanted to obtain instruction and affidavit filed by the state respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship. It's ready, Your Lordship. It's ready to have. I'll file my rejoinder, yes.
My lord,
And your lordship, I would like to
pointed
bring
out-
these additional documents on record.
I have, my lord, if lordship will have the last annexure which I've enclosed, that is an annexure number, my lord, annexure number 416, my lord, page 16. The pension has already been under processed, and IPS has already been cleared also, my lord. She is, I believe she must have received, or it is on the process of being received. And my lord, the service record, my lord, which is in annexure number 1, 2, my lord, these and 3, my lord, these are the documents which have been manually signed and filled up by her, my lord, where she has actually written her date of birth as 1966, and she's no
Lordship,
longer in service.
I'm ready with the reply, Lordship. Let the court examine.
Then you ready to reply.
No,
Are you giving oral submissions?
No, Lordship. I'm craving leave from this court, Your Lordship, to file office memorandum.
You just on your own hand as submitted by the learned counsel.
No, Your Lordship.
Annexure one,
I'll counter
this
to
is
that,
own
Your Lordship. I
hand.
prepared
My lord,
mine.
these are handwritten form, my lord. These are standard format.
Deny
followed.
these.
Yes, Your Lordship, I did not.
How?
They are being
Because
filled by
this
someone
is
else, Your
not
Lordship, and
your-
I've just made to
this is not your
sign.
signature.
The signature is mine, Your Lordship.
Then?
But the preparation and the filling up of the form is not mine. It's not even my handwriting, Lordship. It's being filled and I was
Now we
directed to
are-
sign.
My lord, the
Where I'm
status of
supposed
the
to put my
entire
signature.
pension is being processed. Now, my lord, if actually been, my lord, been given to her account, what will be the situation, my
Now,
lord?
Your Lordship,
Give 1 week's time, we'll dispose of the
Then, my
matter.
lord, in that
Yes,
case,
and Your Lordship.
we will not release the entire thing, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship, that's a matter of concern where the administrative.
Let him air his grievances 100%.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He will feel
I
aggrieved.
oblige with that,
But
Lordship.
the thing is that, see, once the service book's been, and like the signature is there.
Your Lordship,
then you know
I have prepared a counter to that in my rejoinder, Your Lordship. Let Your Lordship examine, and may I be allowed to bring this office memorandum that has been directed by the Finance Pension Cell Department, Your Lordship. This will help in adjudicating of the matter on merits, Your Lordship, entirely. As of the procedure and norms
You
for
see
the
this-
administrative process, Your Lordship.
This signature is not yours.
Signature is mine, Lordship, but the entire
3-4
preparation.
pages service book was filled by someone else.
Lordship, even in
This was at the
where we
initial
put the
time she
signature,
joined
Lordship,
service,
in
my
one of the annexure, the instruction I received.
At the initial time she had joined service, my lord.
You can't take this.
After
Well, Your
10, my
Lordship,
lord,
the admin.
Validity of the service book states service book is a sacrosanct document as far as any.
Yes, Your Lordship, but Your Lordship, in accordance with the pension rule, Your Lordship, when there is preparation for a person is due retirement,
my rule has been complied very well. She is yet to receive. She is on the way to receive.
Your Lordship,
the
I haven't even filled any single form. I haven't filled any single form, Your Lordship, to process the entire pension.
And is allowed 3 days time to file the affidavit, bring on record added materials in reply to the affidavit
Affidavit filed by the state.
by the state respondent. Stop. It is noted that the the photocopy service book has been annexed to the affidavit in opposition, which shows that the same has been signed by the petitioner, which the council does not deny. Yes, list on Monday, 19th.
Your Lordship, these OMs we will be able to bring on record.
Whatever.
It will help in adjudicating of the matter.
Just keep it in mind.
Yes.
That once the employee has put this thing, and like now after retirement you bring this issue up.
And now, Your Lordship, they claim of the pension matter.
You know very well the law.
Yes,
There's a
sir.
lot of these matters then.
Item 15.
Highly obliged.
Service to women upon the
May please, Lordship. Private respondent have filed the affidavit, Lordship. What is HTC, I think.
We have filed, Your Lordship.
Yes, they filed it. You got copy? No.
I have received the copy of the private respondent, which they have filed
This
it.
one, Mr. SD is appearing private respondent.
No.
We are for the GHDC, Your
Number
Lordship.
2, yeah. You appear for whom?
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4 and I
You already
had filed.
it.
Yes, filed it.
Here, then you haven't got this affidavit.
Then I may be allowed to file the rejoinder for to
You
vote.
did it also. How do you know you want
No,
to
I
file it?
actually. This is Lordship. Yes, they have.
Yes, yes, affidavit has since been filed by the respondents. Mr. P.D. Sama, please, will have 2 weeks' time to peruse the same.
Yes, and file the rejoinder.
And
Yes.
see if rejoinder is necessary, yes. List after 2 weeks, yes.
Lordship.
16.
Lordship.
So, MS Amajong very busy. Yes.
Under this, with regard to transfer order which have been challenged by the petitioners.
Yes, now where are you going to put him?
My lord, we have already given the formal information letters to the department. Department is yet to take a call on that, my lord.
But the state was supposed to file the affidavit, Your
What
Lordship.
affidavit, my lord, to take instruction?
Where now there's a list showing vacancies in Joa and Nongstoin. Is that correct?
Lordship, that is what they have given us the list, Your Lordship.
Then?
We'll have some instruction, Your Lordship.
As per the last order, Your Lordship.
Let it be.
This on Monday, interim orders. Just give him some posting.
Monday, Your Lordship, if...
Monday, we have enough time. Now Tuesday only.
Let come on 21st then, Your Lordship.
Okay, 21st.
Apply.
It's not a holiday, I hope, 21st.
21st, I don't think, Your Lordship.
17.
Who's for the applicant?
That's no seat, Your Lordship.
Where's S.N.C.? She's a very busy lawyer. She doesn't appear regularly.
I have no idea.
None appears for the applicant just after 1 week.
18.
Yes?
Lord, I will pray for 2 weeks' time, my lord. I have received the Parawai's command. I
Your
will file
Lord-
my affidavit.
Your Lordship, as per the last order, Your Lordship.
Yes, today is fixed for consideration of interim
Yes.
order.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have received a notification, Your Lordship, issued by the Secretary to the Executive Committee GHATC.
Lordship,
What is that?
that is what
Your
I'm
Lordship,
trying
they have
to
received, Your
make
Lordship. I
mention
had
in this
furnished
court.
them, Your Lordship.
This after filing of that missed case, another notification to subsequent order was there. That's why I've actually prepared my affidavit, but this one notice I received only yesterday.
No, no,
So
Your Lordship, they
this
have
is- this is
received
the
on
one,
the
Lordship,
30th.
that
On the
is I
30th.
think she's trying to place this one on. This notification, this was not under challenge, Your Lordship. I think.
Your
So
Lordship,
I think it will be
they,
good
they
for
have
us to give it.
they have received on the 30th, Your Lordship.
This one, this is not under challenge.
Who has given this?
That's okay. No, there's a, now you don't need interim orders anymore.
But-
Because this
but
order
Your Lord-
itself has set status quo, no zooming, no cutting.
Yes.
Your Lordship, but for more than 37 years, Your Lordship, we have been cultivating in that area, Your Lordship.
Who are we?
And you-
Disputed facts.
And Your Lordship, the matter regarding the
You want to continue
Sakagri.
zooming?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have been cultivating, Your Lordship. This order will affect me, Your Lordship. And the
Then you have to
matter has
challenge this
already
order.
been
Then you
adjudicated.
have sent order in the miss case
It's
then.
not under challenge.
Yes, Your Lordship, I had filed my miss case, Your Lordship.
Against this order?
Not this one,
Against the,
Lordship.
against the order.
Against this case.
Your Lordship, this notification is in pursuance of the order dated 7/3/2025.
Yes. Exactly.
Your Lordship,
So
I
asking
filed.
for stay 70/2025. Correct. Now there's a new notification has come out. Then you necessarily you have to challenge it also.
Yes.
Because even if we stay 7/3, when this is still be alive, how do you expect to tackle it? MS CM today is produced before this court a notification dated 10th April 2025, whereby the petitioner and the respondents have been directed to maintain status quo and all jungle clearance, zooming and other late activities in Sakalgiri SAKAL GRE village area has been prohibited during pendency of the case before the Deputy Chief Executive Member submits that the order has just been issued and prays that she be allowed 1 week's time to file an appropriate application challenging the same case.
Lordship.
You have to file it, we can't help it.
Hearing. Item 26.
Yes.
Lord, here the case in brief, my lord. I'm the daughter. My father expired, my lord, and I'm yet to be married, my lord. I'm unmarried, so I'm claiming pension, my lord, of my father, late father. Now, state has given an affidavit where, my lord, they have not come categorically anything objecting my pension. It is the AG, my lord. They have said that certain documents was not.
They're not here, my lord.
Why?
Just informed. I just got a. They just called me.
Where's MS?
They have filed their affidavit, by
They have filed.
AG has filed their affidavit, my lord.
But they have to
Has to be heard.
All the hearings have been incapacitated in this court.
Otherwise,
I
my
think
lord-
we should not put hearing lists anymore. It's a day. We put a daily hearing list because weekly hearing list was put, in the hope that lawyers, they stagger the dates. Okay, fine, it's the weekly, you do one on Tuesday, Wednesday, but then on Monday itself, whole list goes, Monday's list goes.
In this matter, my lord, they have said, my lord, that the pension could not have been released because of
What to
three
do?
documents
If the only objection comes from the AG,
Yes.
then orders will be passed against them.
against them, my lord.
You don't have any objection.
For us, she's the adopted daughter, so if the adoption certificate is there, there's no
So
problem.
there's no hindrance.
No, ma'am.
So the matter involves the grant of family pension due to the absence of the counsel for the Accountant General. Respondent number
7.
Respondent number 7. This is matter on 20th May. 20th May.
27.
Hello there. One disposal. Yes.
27.
Where's local council?
They are on the screen.
What's the matter about? Yes, yes. Please start.
Mr. Lordship, my only ground today that remains is that they had advertised 10 vacancies for the post of Havildar clerk for the state of Maharashtra, 6 general and 4 OBC. And they have only filled up 8 vacancies. So all that I'm saying today is for them to maintain a wait list.
Yes, I could not catch you. Yes, what were you submitting? To?
Mr. Lordship, the limited issue now remains only to the preparation of wait list.
Of
They
wait
had
listing.
advertised 10 vacancies, 6 for general and 4 for OBC.
Yes.
And they've only filled up, as against those 10 posts, they have filled up 8 posts.
Okay. How many general, how many
And
OBCs?
3 vacancies. 5
How-
general they have filled up and 3 OBC.
So you say you're an OBC candidate?
Please, Rajab, I was a general candidate.
Okay, 5 in filled up and 3 OBC filled up. So there are only
Yes,
2
Your
posts
Lordship.
left.
Yes.
Yes. But when was the select list published?
Please, Rajab, the select list was published in just a second. The select list was published somewhere in July 2024, but they have declared this only by way of filing counter affidavit before your lordship. This position that only 5 vacancies and 3 vacancies were filled up had come up only in the counter affidavit when they filed a detailed list.
Yes, now you say that where's the merit list? Where's the merit list? Dr. Mazika, where's the select list?
Please, Lordship, that they have filed now with the counter affidavit.
Page
Yes.
20, ma'am.
Where's it?
Page 20 of my affidavit.
Yes. Yes. The prayer is very simple. It said you appointed only 8. Now she's the general candidate. So you
Madam, that's not correct.
consider
Page
for
20,
appointment.
page 20 of lots of candidacies, madam.
Yes.
But this is for Maharashtra vacancy 10, OBC 4 and general 6.
Yes.
Selected OBC 4, general 6.
Yes. Then where select? Then how you say? How did she say only 8 appointments have been done?
That's what I don't find any basis of that, madam.
Yes, Ms. Lamba,
Yes,
where do you
Lordship,
get?
this is the
Where do
one
you get
I've
that
checked.
only 8 have been?
Yes, your lordship, you see the one at serial number 4, Sambhaji Suresh Thambore,
Yes.
who is a general candidate. Your lordship, you see remarks at his this thing. Criminal proceedings need to be verified. So there was a criminal case registered against him, so his candidature has been cancelled.
Okay. And then?
And
So
if
he's
the
a,
lottery
he's a,
now
he's a general
finds-
candidate, right?
Yes.
So now that
So
means
since
out of
the-
only one general seat, general post remains.
Please, your Lordship will see that there's one OBC also. If your Lordship would count this, then your Lordship will see.
Where's your name in
some
this
of-
chart?
Please, your Lordship,
Number
my
14.
name, your Lordship
Number
will
14.
find that serial number 14.
14, okay. That is above you.
The three more, my lord.
Are they OBC or are they general?
To that I see that even in waitlist, it would be very tough for me to make it. Because there are already candidates who have secured higher marks than me, even in the waitlist. I must concede to that.
Yeah, Dr. Mojika.
In my humble submission, there is no basis, my lord. Even Thambaji, if I understand, my lord, this is under challenge before this honorable court.
Who Thambaji?
The serial number 4, my lord.
Thambare.
Thambare. Sambhaji Suresh Thambare. And that, even if he is not appointed, my lord, that will not give a cause of action for the petitioner because there are three more candidates.
General candidates?
It appears, my lord.
Please, Your Lordship, there are general and also OBC who have secured higher marks than me. And law today is that if an OBC candidate otherwise makes it to the merit, then he would also be appointed in general category.
So that means one seat is being kept to await outcome of the case for general candidate. What is the submission? Dr. Mojika?
My lord, if I may just point out, my lord, in this chart at page 20, serial number 1, my lord, is selected general.
Yes.
Number 2, my lord, selected general. Number 3 also selected general. Number 4 selected general. Number 5 is selected general. Number 6 selected OBC.
Where you get OBC? You use blank this list.
Please, Your Lordship, will see the second last column.
My lord.
Where's the other chart? You give another chart with
Give me another copy, my lord.
It's not been given. You got the new chart? MS Lamba?
Please, Your Lordship, I have the new chart, yes.
This is the one, no?
Okay. Now, okay, fine. Number 1, general.
Number 2 is general, 3 general, 4 general, 5 general, my lord.
Then 6 OBC.
6 OBC, 7th is general again.
Yes.
And then there are OBC candidates, my lord. And he is at serial number 14, my lord. So, at least there are 3 candidates above him, my lord.
General.
And what is submitted by the petitioner counsel, my lord, that OBC should be treated as general because he is on merit, my lord.
Yes.
That deteriorates his case, my lord.
Yes, I concede to that.
Yes.
So 10 candidates have been selected, my lord, and he is far below in the merit list, my lord.
Yes.
If somebody resigns or
Anything
something happens, any cause of
else submit?
No, Your Lordship, that's all because I realize that I'm way down in the merit.
Yes. Yes, sir. We'll pass orders then.
Very well, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Something to do.